People come into our houseplant greenhouse and they often ask, how do we keep the water so clear even though we've got fish in there that we're feeding? Let's talk really quickly about filtration on fish ponds. In my opinion, the most important aspect of a good filter system for a pond is a skimmer. So our skimmer in here is hiding under this fake rock, and this is what we call mechanical filtration. So it's going to act like a sieve and pull out any surface debris that lands on the surface of the pond, gets sucked into here. You've got a basket that you can then pull out to remove the big chunks of debris so that they don't clog up your finer filters. Now, the reason why I say this is the most important step is actually when you see ponds that have a lot of muck and just really nasty stuff at the bottom, most of that comes from leaves and other debris that fall into the pond. They never get properly skimmed off the surface and they end up settling down to the bottom and decomposing. The other main purpose of the skimmer is to protect your pump, which will help with the longevity of that pump. So any water, in order to get to that pump, has to pass through the skimmer, through the basket, and then also through a filter mat. And so the big pieces of debris won't get down and clog up your pump or harm it. The next step, and this one is also super critical for clear water in a pond, is called biological filtration. And this one's actually kind of a hybrid between mechanical and biological, because this biofalls that is up here at the top of the waterfall is actually a big tub that we have disguised with plants and stone, and the water goes in through the bottom and then it goes up through multiple layers of filter mats. Those mats not only trap any larger debris that's still in the water, but they also are a breeding ground for your beneficial bacteria that will be pulling excess nitrogen and other nutrients out of the water and helping to make it clear. And the last piece of the puzzle that is still very critical is allowing plants and algae to live in your pond. So plants such as this water bacopa will be pulling nutrients out of the water and helping to filter the water as well. And a little bit of algae colonizing on the rocks that are down below is also very healthy for the ecosystem of this pond. So remember these steps if you are planning on putting a fish pond or water garden in your backyard and you would like to have that beautiful, healthy, crystal clear water. And make sure you like and follow for more tips like this.